My name is Milko Zazrev and I represent OPTIX company Bulgaria. We have three core portfolios. So the first one is the optical components and mechanical components. The second one is the night vision and thermal imaging devices for sighting and surveillance. And the third one are the integrated systems for border surveillance and strategic objects. We believe that this is the first edition of the show, which will give a great push-up for all the companies which would like to promote their products to this unique country and OD area. First off, OPTIX is the one-stop shop for all the end users and customers who would like to equip their troops with one of the latest solutions for the night vision and thermal imaging devices. Here, one of our best sellers is this binocular. It's a thermal imaging binocular, which is excellent for surveillance middle to long range, excellent for border security as well, and strategic observation. We are planning in the next 2 years to release quite a new products in both divisions, night vision and thermal, which will push up the level to a great new beginning. This thermal imaging sight is quite compact, excellent solution for special forces and other strategic troops, which will give great benefit because it is a reliable product as all of our portfolio. It's very easy to use, very easy to maintain, and by the way, it gives you a great advantage on the battlefield. This one is the first in the world RPG-7 sight, which is thermal. So what's the benefit here is that you can upload up to 5 reticles and you can use different grenades with only one sight. So this eliminates the costs of the end user to buy additional sights, to develop additional reticles. You can use different rounds, grenades, and in the end you can see day and night regardless of the weather condition. This product right here is thermal imaging clip-on. It gives the great advantage of the end user and the elite sniper teams to use their day scopes with added thermal imaging capability.